Um, I took a Tylenol and I feel like uh, I'm going to this Korean stuff, Korean event thing on Thursday, and tomorrow I have a phone conversation with the station. Remember, I just running around, at the radio building. And when is the right place to make a phone call? Everybody have a dream, and my dream is to have the channels, the satellite, like all over the world. It's very, very hard to reach that dream, and sometimes I can't focus. I need a lot of supporter, like American guy here, and Asian investors, and I'm getting headache all day. When I'm gonna get it? Great idea. I read it. I just do this. I want to do that, and meeting people. Da da da. So much ideas, and how can I bring it out there and be successful? How? Put it in the website? I guess you just have to really, really focus and try really hard, and just headache. You just want to get there, and you just can't get there without people's help. And tomorrow is the day, and I might fail, that they don't want to do it, or I might win. And I realize, I look at the picture of me, and I'm thinking, I can put myself out there. You're chasing so big dream. This is very, very hard. I'm looking at like a couple of $1,000,000 to start, to setting up channels, and every day it's just so hard.